create fun and engaging media like this? Wanna learn how to change faces in any video or image? Then keep on watching. First, go to faceswap.govideomaker.com to access the software. Then choose Video FaceSwap to get started. After that, you can drag and browse your video. Example, we will use this. Then wait until the video is uploaded. Upload your image. We can now change the face of Superman with my face. Okay, just drag my image here. Then after that, you can now render.